Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the oil wipe indicator on a BMW X3. It's the E83, it will be the same for all X3 models. So what you need to do, you need to get inside your vehicle, get the key, and now the first thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that, okay, let me get a better angle. You need to put the key in. Now you need to click this button, turn the key to position 1, right there, and hold until reset appears. Now let go and press the key again, the button, until reset starts blinking. Now let go again and click it one more time, and now the oil wipe is reset to 15,550 miles. So that's how you reset it, and you just get out of it. Okay, and now you see the inspection is doing 15,550 miles. So that's how you reset the oil wipe indicator on a BMW E83, the X3. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.